Ladies and gentlemen, our next contestant to grace our stage is contestant number 24. Contestant number 24, please put your hands together for Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia 2019, Theresa Tamausu Mafile'o. Theresa Tamausu Mafile'o is 20 years old, the oldest of four. She was born in Aotearoa, New Zealand, raised in Sydney, Australia, studies a Bachelor of Policing at Western Sydney, Australia, and plans to undertake SWAT Team, Drug Squad, and Cyber Force. She volunteers at her local library to teach refugees how to speak English. She is a cultural dance performer in the dance group Spirit of the Islands, based in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Her hobbies include dancing and drama. She is passionate about raising awareness about the issue of sexual abuse. Contestant figure of Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia 2019, Theresa Tamausu Mafile'o.
Miss Lady Maria Australia. Whatapu ke haue o Tonga, ke nea whio, tama ko tupo no, moe whale haa moe o fo. Kai ata mo kita tuani, ke uki I lafalalo atu, ai tala whatongia tuani. Ise isa e si lai takala, ke maa e pape me langi whanakawa. Kai tuku pe mua ke uwhai, ha whakahoa, te ria ho o langina ko hoku lau kauanga. Ko e tau eni e ua fulu maa lima, ai te whai whatongia ki a tupo mohu eiki. I he whiri misi Tonga hoi hoi fua. Ko au Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, me he tafa o e otulangi tupua, mo e ao kakala, ki he teunga o ki whine motua tuani ki he katoanga. Kono teunga tau olunga, o ku tuiwhio ai, ai whakautusia, ta mo e whakamata moana, pea laloni aki ai wha o ne lua, mo e pua, ko oua te ke malo a. Kono kakala, ko e pito I ngalau, tuiwhio o e paki mo e toi, pea kohono vesa mo e tekteki, ko e kakala taurewa o e otulangi. Ko e whasi taualunga ki whine motoani, ko e whasi taualunga ko e kolofonua, ko e whauia whaiwhekau te ta ahio, ki he taimi na kei mai mo ako ai, ai tamatu I lolo tonga. Pea ku hiwai pe e kalapu toa ko po walu, io ko e mai moa ai tama ko pilinisi ata. Lewe-lewe malanga, kau foki au, ki he otulangi mo e whakanau-nau. Hoto tua ofa eiki atu, Miss Lady Maria, Australia, Tonga.
Hello, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant 24, Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia 2019, Theresa Tamausu Mafile'o. And of course, Theresa is 20 years old and heralds from beautiful Sydney in New South Wales, Australia.